Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best shower doors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DreamLine Aqua Fold Frameless Bifold Tub Door with Extender Panel in Chrome. This door is brilliant shower door in chrome packaging. Pan door uses perpetual self-centering rotation system that allows for exit for the pan and pivoting section. The door does not take a lot of space, so it is more suitable for smaller bathrooms. The structure of this shower door is reversible and one can insert it in the right as well as left profile. Moreover, the door comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Moving on at number 4, we have the DreamLine Infinity Z 56-60 in WX 72 in H Semi-Frameless Sliding Shower Door, clear glass in brushed nickel. The door is made using 6 mm thick and ANSI certified tempered glass. It is reversible for a left or right door opening to fit any specific layout. There is a convenient and intuitive towel bar as well. This door offers a modern touch to the classic style and adds an elegant and sophisticated touch to your bathroom. At number 3, we have the VIGO VG6041CHCL6074 Elan 56-60 sliding frameless shower door with 3/8 clear glass and 304 stainless steel hardware, in chrome finish. This shower door is built to last, as it is made using stainless steel hardware and ANSI Z97.1 glass certification, which can withstand the weight and is resistant to damage. This frameless design will add to the beauty of your bathroom as well as is very functional. The door is customizable to your place with right or left side installation. The glass is spot, hard water, and fingerprint resistant, and comes with seal strip to make sure water does not leak. At number 2, we have the DreamLine Enigma-X 56-60 in WX 76 in H fully frameless sliding shower door in brushed stainless steel, SHDR 6160761007. The frameless sliding shower door gives a modern yet minimalist aesthetic, as well as spacious and open feel. This door comes with exceptional quality as it is made using an innovative mix of stainless steel hardware and glass. This 3/8 thick clear tempered glass is certified and is treated with the ClearMax technology by DreamLine. This makes the door water repellent as well as stain resistant. It also has a reversible installation feature and will fit in almost all the bathrooms. And finally at number 1, we have the DreamLine SHDR 6460761007 Enigma Air Frameless Sliding Glass Shower Door, 56-60 W, by 76 inches H, brushed stainless steel. This is a beautiful shower door that will definitely add elegance to your bathroom. The shower door is fully frameless for offering spacious and open feeling. The stationary panel is hitched to the wall by 1-inch anodized aluminum U-channel. The door is made using a 10 mm thick clear tempered glass, which is ANSI certified and has a stain and water resistant coating. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.